In this video I'm going to show you how to pin someone else's tweet to your Twitter profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Twitter application, then hit at home button to see your tweets feed. And now if you want to, let's say I want to pin that tweet at my profile, all I have to do now is hit at the retweet button and select quote tweet. Now here I can add there a comment, I'll write there some text, also I can add emojis here, and now I can just hit add tweet to actually repost that tweet. And now I have to go to my profile, there will be that tweet, and here I can tap at three dots icon and here select pin to your profile. Then hit add pin, and as you can see, this tweet is now pinned at the top of my profile. You can pin just one tweet at once, and if there was any tweet already pinned, it will disappear from here because that's only one place for pinned tweet. And guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.